Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new tech reviews and gadgets episode where today we're reviewing a compact mini fridge and you guys are currently watching CrewElite. In today's episode, we're reviewing a mini fridge from the company Teccpo. And let me just tell you guys that this mini fridge is very compact, but also has a lot of space where you guys can put in your drinks, your snacks, and all sorts of things that you may keep in your bedroom, your office, or your dorm. This mini fridge also has 6 adjustable temperatures you can change it to, which is really nice. And it's also a very quiet refrigerator, which I'll show you guys when we get into the testing and demonstration portion of this video. But before we actually get started with this tech reviews and gadgets episode, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on, especially if it's your first time tuning in or checking out this YouTube channel. Have any questions or concerns about this product, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment as I reply and read a comment as you receive. So if any inquiries whatsoever, please feel free to ask me in the comment section down below. Also, if you guys actually want to check out this product or get more information about this mini fridge, product information, and also the link to purchase this mini fridge will be down below in the description for you guys to check out, alongside with all the specifications and details if you're interested in that kind of information. But right now, what we're going to do is actually move over to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. So as you guys can see, it would be an understatement for me to say that this box is not massive. And there's a lot of details on the box itself. I'm not going to use a secondary camera angle in this video because it is such a massive product, so it wouldn't really fit in my secondary camera angle shot anyways, but I'm just spinning around just to show you guys how the box looks like. But let's actually get cracking into this box and opening up this mini fridge. Okay. All right, so we got all those like little plastic zip ties off. Just gotta pull the box out, remove all this plastic, and remove some of the plastic that's on the side. So this is how the mini fridge looks like once you actually get it out of its box. And overall, the packaging that they did and all the materials they used to really protect this mini fridge was really nice. You know, I love that they included all those different styrofoam and plastic pieces so it would protect it during the shipment process. That's really reassuring to see with products like this. That's how the back side looks like to this mini fridge. All the different components and controls, you know, all the different things that actually make this mini fridge cool down and all that. And you guys can see everything is nicely laid out. And yeah, in the power button, not the power button, but the power cable is also in the back here. And that's what you need to actually plug into your power support, or power supply I should say, to give this mini fridge power for it to actually be in use. Let's actually open up this mini fridge. And you guys can see the door is actually on the right side. So when you open it up, it's actually on the right side, just like so. And yeah, that's how it looks like from the inside. Really nice. You guys can see we got some different shelves, different sections of the mini fridge that we can actually put our drinks, our snacks into. So what I just did was kind of remove all the plastic and all the tape that they included in the packaging, just to make sure that nothing kind of, you know, goes all over the place when you actually are transporting this. But some of the things that they included was like, you know, a nice little plate dish that you guys can use to put stuff into for this fridge, so you guys can easily set inside just like so. They also included, I like how they included this ice tray. This ice tray has different shapes that you can actually utilize to make ice. We got, you know, the normal bricks, we got some circulars, and we got some hearts that you guys can utilize and make, you know, some different shapes of ice through this mini fridge, which is really nice. I'll put that off to the side. We also got some screws and brackets and some different plates that you guys can use to actually protect this mini fridge. And we also have like this spatula that you can utilize too with this mini fridge. I'm guessing this is for the ice machine, but I'm not exactly sure. I'm gonna put it inside this plate. And then we also got the user manual, which I recommend you guys reading to get more information about this mini fridge. And we also have an ice tray here. Look at that. Really nice. And this is our temperature control that we can easily toggle and change at any given time, which is really nice. So right now, let's actually proceed to testing out this mini fridge. Let me just plug this power cable into my power supply. All right, so I had this fridge plugged in for, I could say 25 minutes. I just want to see how cold it is after 25 minutes. Let me open it up, just like so. Let me put my hand inside. Oh, wow. Yeah, it's definitely a lot colder. Oh, yeah. Obviously, the more longer we can leave it in or leave it plugged in, the more colder it's gonna get. But I do want to show you guys, you know, an example of some of the things you can actually put inside this mini fridge. So let me go get some stuff. I have laid out some various different things that you would typically put inside a fridge or a mini fridge, such as drinks, you know, like water, soda. We also got some yogurt and some Lunchables. Soda can just obviously sit right here because it's kind of like a soda tray. We can also put some water here. 1, 2, 3. One of these sodas in, just like so. We can put some yogurt on the top here. And we also got some Lunchables that we can also put inside. Put inside right here. And obviously you can fill up this fridge with all the different things that you may consume and eat on a daily basis. We're gonna let this chill up and see how cold it can get after like maybe half an hour and see how chilled everything is. Let me open this up. And yeah, you guys can see a lot of the stuff that we put in, like, you know, the soda has condensation. Some of the water bottles have some condensation. The soda that's up here, they're all definitely a lot colder. Even the yogurt is really chill and nice, which is really nice to see. The water bottles feel really cold to the touch. The Lunchables feel really cold and chilled. In fact, they even have some condensation. But the yogurt's though really cold. So it looks like this mini fridge is doing a fantastic job of actually cooling everything we actually put inside of it. But overall, I think this mini fridge is doing a fantastic job of cooling everything. And right now, what we're gonna do is actually move over to the final reflections and remarks and then end off this video. So, one of my final opinions and remarks about this mini fridge from the company Teccpo. Let me just say, if you want a fridge to use in your office, your bedroom, your dorm, your basement, or your little, you know, man cave or whatever you have, definitely check this out. I did a fantastic job of cooling all the different objects that I did test, and it didn't take long enough to, you know, actually cool everything down. There's a lot of different shelves and a lot of different sections you can actually utilize with this mini fridge. They also included that ice tray that we didn't test out in video, but it is also included. But this does offer a lot of storage and a lot of things you guys can actually utilize with this mini fridge. But that is going to conclude our video for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode, and if you guys did, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alert to know we do upload. Have any questions or concerns about this mini fridge, make sure you guys below and leave a comment as I reply and read every single comment I do receive. So if any inquiries whatsoever, please feel free to ask me in the comment section down below. If you guys need to get in contact with me or your business wanting to work with me, our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message if you want to potentially work with me, or if you guys need any further assistance with this product, you guys can do so by contacting me through my business inquiries email. And then lastly, if you guys actually want to check out this product or get more information about this mini fridge, product information, also the link to purchase it will be down below in the description for you guys to check out, alongside with all the specifications and details if you guys are interested in taking a look at that kind of information. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. I know I did making it, and I'll see you guys all on the next episode. CrewElite signing out. Thank you guys all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.